The day of 15th August in 1947 has been embossed in the golden history of India. It is the day when India got its freedom from the 200 years of British rule. It was a hard and a long high-stakes struggle in which many freedom fighters and great men sacrificed their lives for our beloved motherland. India commends its Independence Day on 15th August. Autonomy Day helps us remember every one of the penances our political dissidents made to make India liberated from British rule. On 15th August 1947, India was announced free from British imperialism and turned into the biggest vote-based system on the planet. Independence Day is like the birthday of our country. We celebrate 15th August every year as our Independence Day. It is celebrated as a national holiday throughout the country. It is called the Red Letter Day in the history of our country. In 1947, on this day, India became independent. We won freedom from British power after a hard struggle. On this day, at the stroke of midnight, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister, unfurled the national flag at the Red Fort for the first time. It marked the end of the 200 years old British reign in India. We now breathe air in a free and sovereign nation. Britishers have governed in India for just about 200 years. Under British colonization, the life of every Indian was struggling and dismal. Indians were treated as slaves and had no freedom of speech. Indian rulers were simple puppets in the possession of British officers. Indian fighters were dealt with cruelty in British camps, and farmers were starving as they couldn't develop crops and needed to pay substantial land taxes. On this special occasion, the people of India remember the selfless sacrifices and unparalleled contributions of great men and women to achieve the independence of India. Leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhas Chandra Bose, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad, Sardar Patel, and Gopal Bandhu Das are paid reverent homage by one and all in the country. Independence Day is a positive event for the country since we were free from British rule on this day. It unites diverse individuals all over the country. Unity in diversity is the fundamental path and strength of India. We feel pleased to be a part of the biggest majority rule country on the planet, where we live in a democracy. Independence Day is an important day in the life of every Indian citizen. Year after year, it reminds us of our great freedom fighters who sacrificed and struggled their lives in order to free our motherland from British rule. It reminds us of the great paragons, which were the foundation of the dream of a free India, envisioned and realized by the founding fathers. It also reminds us that our forefathers have done their share of duty, and now it lies in our hands how we can shape and form the future of our country. They have played their part, and have played it really well. The country now looks up to us as to how we perform our part. A wind of patriotism and national integration blows across the country on this day. Independence Day is a national occasion and all shops, workplaces, schools, and universities remain closed. This day is a token to the freedom fighters and patriots who sacrificed their lives so we could experience and live in a free land. The tricolor is lifted in many schools and other institutions on this day. Some notable individual or the school head addresses the gathering. In the evening, all significant government structures are well illuminated to honor this day.